Okay, I'm gonna show you how to put this 2018 E400 convertible, some Mercedes. I'm gonna show you how to put it in the eco mode, economy mode. So what you wanna do is get in your vehicle. And what the economy mode is whenever you're driving and you come to a complete stop, the vehicle will shut off so that you can save gas. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and start this up. It's a push start. And in this particular vehicle, the eco start is right here in the center section. You see that A with the circle. So when the light is green, that means it's on. So by default, whenever you start the vehicle up or get ready to go, it's going to automatically be on. And to turn it off, you just hit the off. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this ecosystem works, this economy system. So whenever I come to a complete stop, and either I'm in traffic or whatever, come to a complete stop and mash the brakes, the vehicle engine shuts down and it just start running off the battery. And I'm gonna show you here. I'm going to come to a complete stop and I'm gonna push the brakes in. I'm at a complete stop. You notice that the RPMs went to 0 and you see that A right there. That lets me know that it's in the economy mode. So I'm saving gas, but the AC is still running and the radio and everything is still playing. It's running off the battery. And if you sit idled here for about 40 seconds, it'll automatically come back on. You're gonna notice right here, we're getting close to that 40 seconds and it's gonna come back on. And that's to save the battery. Make sure you're not draining your battery down. So in a few seconds, it should pop back on and it'll start charging, recharging the battery, because the alternator, you notice that it kicks on. You notice that the RPM is up and that A went away. So now the engine is running and is recharging the battery. And all these conditions have to be met for this ecosystem to work. I noticed that when my wife purchased this vehicle about 6 months ago, it never worked. We didn't even know it had that mode on it because the battery was old and it didn't have enough amperage. So when we got the battery changed about 3 weeks ago, we noticed that this system, this ecosystem, and my wife didn't like it at first because the vehicle never did that before. It never shut down at a stop sign, and she was worried. She thought something was wrong. So we called the dealership and they told us, hey, you got a new battery, so it's reading, everything is reading correctly, so it works. So in order for this ecosystem to work, the vehicle have to warm up, the engine have to be a certain temperature, everything have to be in sync before this system will work. And again, this one is located right here. If I want to turn it off, only thing I have to do is push it once, and you notice that the green light is off. I want to turn it back on, push it. And some vehicles have them listed here or maybe on the dash or on the steering wheel. So that's all to it.